Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the solution for background app refresh grayed out on iPhone after iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. We start from the basic. The first thing that we have to do, turn off low power mode. For that, open setting app and tap on battery and turn off low power mode and check background app refresh is fixed or not. Still not working. Now we are going for the second solution. The second solution is go to setting, tap screen time, tap content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and tap background app activities, tap on it and we have to select allow. Now go back for check, tap setting, general, background app refresh. Now it's working fine. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.